So today we are again going to discuss the question paper of last year for MA 4th semester students, and the name of this paper is Indian Literature in English. So let us have a look at all the questions. The very first examination pattern will be same. Section A, very short answer type questions. Section B, short answer type questions, and section C, detailed type questions. Answer all the 5 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Very short answer is required. So here out of 5 questions you have to answer 2 only, means you have to answer here all of the questions, means in this section you are not being given any kind of option, and each question will give you 2 marks. So this section will be also of 10 marks. The very first question of this section is, write a short note on R.K. Narayan as a regional novelist. What are the important characteristics of Raju in the guide? Means you have to tell here the character of Raju. Who is Berani in the play Tughlaq? Then fourth one is, Tughlaq is called a historical play. Tughlaq as a historical play, and give the reasons. How can you say that Tughlaq is a historical play? And the last one is, draw the character sketch of Rosie in the novel The Guide. So in this section you can feel yourself that most of the characters are being asked. Rosie, character in The Guide. Then section B, short answer type questions, and here you will be given 3 questions, and out of 3 questions you have to answer to only 2 questions, and each question will give you 5 marks, right? So this section will be also of 10 marks, and the very first question of this section is, silence the court is in session is a social satire. Okay, most important, social satire. Silence the court is in session is a social satire. Discuss the character of Thamma in the shadow lines. The final solutions raises the issues of communal disharmony. Okay, again very important, communal disharmony, and in this reference you have to write the summary of the final solution, that what is the solution there of communal rights or disharmony. Justify this statement in your words. Now come to the another section that is based on your long answer type questions, and here you will be given in all 5 questions, and out of 5 questions you have to answer to only 3 questions, and each question will give you 10 marks. So this section will be of 30 marks, and the very first question of this section is the character again. So I can say that most of the characters are being asked in this paper, means last year the characters were asked, and the very first question again, character of Devan in the novel In Custody. Train to Pakistan recounts the partition of India. Train to Pakistan, Khushwant Singh. Partition of India through the perspectives of Mano Mezra. Justify this statement. Gora is the mouthpiece of Tagore's ideal of nationalism and internationalism. Discuss in detail. Again, character of Gora. And the last one is, discuss family matters as a domestic drama. Okay, family matters is a domestic drama, and that is set in modern Bombay. So here you have to write the summary or the plot of family matters. All these were questions asked last year